Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to set the dismiss notification time in Windows 11. It's gonna be very easy and simple tutorial. So first in your desktop, you can go to your settings. I'm gonna search it in the search box, settings, and hit enter. After that, in the setting page, you can go to your accessibility in the left side menu here. And then you will find visual effects. You can click on it and there is option to set the dismiss notification after the amount of time. So basically you can set the notification maybe 7 seconds, so 1 minute even, or even you can choose to 30 seconds. It's up to you, but you can custom it. It's only you can just set it by these default options. So maybe I want to change it to uh 5 seconds, and then yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.